Hey everyone, I'm really excited to share something that I've been wanting to do for a long time. This May, I'll be hosting a live gentle yoga class on Zoom. This will be a soft, supportive space where you can just slow down, release tension through your body, and take a moment to just breathe. If you've been feeling tight or overwhelmed or just need a reset, this class is for you. It's very beginner friendly. We'll move gently together for about 30 minutes, nothing complicated, just simple, mindful movement and support. This is a pay what you can offering, so you can join in a way that feels right for you. Class will be on Tuesday, May 12th, and you can reserve your spot in the description below. If you've been enjoying the gentle practices I've been sharing, this is a beautiful way to go a little deeper together. I want to personally thank my viewers, followers, and subscribers. Thank you so much for being a part of the Spirit Light Yoga community. I greatly appreciate all of your support. Take care. I'll see you soon. God bless.